From inquiry to adventure, this is the step-by-step process to booking a yacht charter. The general arrangement and process is the same regardless of what agent you use. The first step is to submit an inquiry and have an initial consultation. This is where you'll provide information about where do you want to go, what time of year do you want to go, what is your preference as to boat, do you need any hired crew, and what are your license or resume requirements. The fun part comes when the yacht charter agent sends you proposals. This will be a listing of boats that are available that meet your specifications, and you'll get to click on the various pictures to see the boat layouts and the specifications. Consider these proposals just a starting point. We want to, as agents, get to know what you like and what's going to fit your requirements. Following the proposals, there'll be generally several communications back and forth between you and the agent to go over your budget, to see if the proposals meet your cabin requirements. Do you need air conditioning? Do these fit your dates? Would you like to add a sleep aboard? Once you've settled on an initial boat, the agent will put the boat on option. This is a non-obligatory hold on the boat, and it generally lasts for 3 to 5 days, and it's just to give you some time to make final arrangements. When you're ready to proceed, you just tell the agent that you're ready to make the booking, and your agent will pin the boat on reservation or make the formal request for the booking. Once the charter company confirms, which takes around 24 hours, the agent will prepare everything for you. She'll gather all the paperwork requirements and she'll prepare the invoice. And then she will send you a comprehensive email detailing your reservation. After the initial payment is made, we'll take care of the general paperwork requirements. And then the hard part is kind of the wait until it gets closer to charter time. About 30 days out, when your final balance is due, is when the charter agent will re-engage and help with additional charter preparation. This is when the excitement gets going. What provisionings do we need? Do we want to add Wi-Fi? Do you want to add a stand-up paddleboard? Do we have some idea of itineraries? How many meals we're going to eat on shore? The agent will really help you to get even more excited and to do your charter preparations. Now's the time for charter. So you get to base, you embark, and you start your sail away. Your charter agent doesn't disappear. We're here with you on the voyage. While your base is the main contact, you can always reach out to NauticEd for assistance during your charter. We hope you have a wonderful charter. And then when you come back, NauticEd will be there to have some follow-up and some feedback. And hey, we're here to help plan your next destination afterwards. So whether you use the NauticEd charter process or the general process of another agent, we want to make sure that you can follow the steps and have a clear understanding of what it takes to have a great yacht charter process.